If your apps keep crashing or freezing on your Google TV, you're not alone. This happens a lot with apps like YouTube, Netflix, or Disney+, and it's usually caused by storage overload, cache issues, or a small system glitch. In this video, I'll show you how to fix app crashes on your Google TV step by step. So let's get started. Solution 1. Clear app cache and data. First, turn on your Google TV. Grab your remote and open the settings gear icon. Go to apps, then see all apps. Now choose the app that keeps crashing. For example, YouTube or Netflix. Then select clear cache first. Confirm your choice. After that, see if the issue is fixed or not. If the issue persists, come back here again and choose clear data. This deletes all your user info, so you will be logged out after this. So I suggest you check your account password before doing this. Solution 2. Adjust background limits. Sometimes apps crash because Google TV restricts too many background processes or mishandles GPU rendering. Here's how to fix that. From your TV home menu, then use your remote to navigate to the settings gear icon. Now go to Device Preferences or System depending on your OS version. Go to About, then scroll down to your Android TV OS builds. Use your TV remote's OK button to tap on it 7 times. This will enable the developer options. Confirm your choice if you get prompted or anything. After that, go back to Device Preferences. Scroll down and find Developer Options. Inside Developer Options, scroll down until you find Background Process Limit. Set it to Standard Limit or No Background Process Restriction. Next, find the option Disable HW Overlays. Turn it on. After that, also look for Force GPU Rendering and turn it on as well. This option is not available in all TV, so if you can't find it, just skip it. Restart your TV afterwards. These tweaks can stabilize app performance and stop random crashing, especially for heavy apps like YouTube or Netflix. If this helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Google TV tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.